Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about thread synchronization in Java. Thread synchronization is used in a multi-threaded environment where multiple threads working on the same resource can produce erroneous results. Like an example, we have one class A which is extending the thread class and defining the run method. Similarly, we have class B thread which is also extending the thread class and also defining the run method. So we have two threads, class A thread and class B thread. So whenever they work on a same resource like one method count, then both of these threads can execute that resource randomly, which can produce erroneous results. To prevent that from happening, we can declare that method as a synchronized method. By declaring the count method as synchronized, it is ensured that there will not be any conflict between the executing threads. In synchronization, the concept of monitor is used where only one thread can access the synchronized block. Only when the executing thread exits that synchronized block, then the other thread can enter and execute the synchronized block of code. So in this example program we have one class count which has one static variable c which has been initialized to the value 1, and also we have one display method. This method will iterate 3 times and in every iteration it will increment the value of c by 1. Then we have one class A which is extending the thread class, and whenever this thread is started it will execute the display method. Similarly, we have another thread class B which is also extending the thread class, and whenever this thread started it will also execute the display method. Now inside the main method we are creating object of class A and class B, and we are starting the threads of class A and class B. So now I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program, and you can see the output. The count value of C is not in sequence because there are two threads in the program and both of them are executing the display method in a random manner, which produces this erroneous count result. To prevent that, we can declare that method as a synchronized method. So I'm gonna use the keyword synchronized, and by using the keyword synchronized we are making that block of code as a synchronized code. Now only one thread can have access to the synchronized block, and whenever that thread finished executing that block of code, then the other thread can have access to the block of code, and this way we can produce expected count results. So if we save the program and compile and run it again, and you can see the output. Now the count result is in sequence. So we can declare a block of code as synchronized, and that way only one thread can have access to the block of code, and by doing this we can reduce the conflict between multiple threads. So this is the way we can synchronize multiple threads in Java using the synchronized keyword. Hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.